Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm sharing our pantry and fridge organization. I already had a few containers from our old house, so I only bought a few more. These were washed and dried beforehand and I purchased these all from Amazon. The cabinets aren't as jam-packed with as much stuff as I used to have because I had to declutter, get rid of expired items before the move, so this is what we have for spices. We still have quite a bit of room to work with even though I can't reach it without a step stool. This cabinet is for our baking ingredients. I just want to put the flours in containers to keep it fresh. Normally, I just keep it in bags. I have done some organizing in the kitchen, like this drawer where I keep my gloves, sponges, cleaning cloths, and cleaning oils. That was one of the first things I did because I was excited about it, so I did it right away. We are still settling into our new house. I still have boxes in the garage, not much decor going on. To be honest, I haven't even unpacked the kids' toys, which I did a massive declutter of those before moving. They have a small basket of toys in the living room, and that's it. It's been nice because they actually play with what they have, and it's only temporary until I get the garage set up for them. We have lighting up also in all of the rooms finally. Living room, dining area, our entertainment center is here and the TV is up. I'm just taking things one day at a time because it's really just me most of the time. I do have a handyman doing things around the house sometimes. My schedule has been completely thrown off and I'm not mad about it. I've done about 6 different interviews since my New York Times article. All good things that I'm grateful for and I never thought I'd have the opportunity to do, but I'm ready to get back into creating content. So now I'm removing everything from the pantry onto the countertop so I can sort and organize and see what I have. This pantry is bigger than the last one we had, but I'm not going to buy tons of snacks like I used to, at least not from Sam's Club, because the kids don't finish them all or they get tired of it, so buying less or smaller variations of things allows me to switch it up more often for them. All of the acrylic bins are ones that I already had and purchased all from Amazon, and since I didn't clean them before packing, I'm using my vinegar mix to clean the inside before putting everything away.
Do you ever call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Do I ever let go of the days I wish we had? Stop crying over things I can't take back, not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. You, oh you, I keep wishing we'll end up together. You, oh you, I keep wishing I could make you stay, 'cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty.
Now I have everything organized. I'm going to put it away, going back and forth with how I like things and what functions best. I have these two bamboo shelves dividers in here. I'm not sure if I'm still going to use them. There's two more in the garage, but we'll see.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, 'cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling.
I think the containers for the baking items looked really nice in here. This is my first time buying these type of the pop-up button ones, so I'll let you guys know what I think after I had them for a while.
Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio.
I'm removing everything from the fridge so I can clean the inside with my vinegar mix, and this fridge is smaller than the one we had before. If you remember, our fridge broke and then we got a new one, and that was so much bigger, which I loved for using my fruit containers in, but we don't really have that much space here for that. I just wipe off the outside of the package with my Wet Ones antibacterial wipes and organize it that way so everything fits.
You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio.
I try to do this quickly before the food gets warm, and I don't want to leave the doors open for too long, so as I clean, I put things back. I'm not sure if I shared this tip before, but when I clean my fridge, the shelves, I don't just clean the top, I clean under to get the condensation off, even if it's not dirty, because it makes a difference in how clean the fridge will look.
Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
I'm getting some stuff from the pantry to stock the fridge. I also placed a small grocery order while filming this because I realized we were missing items. I pack my kids' lunches for school every day, so I need certain things on hand. This was filmed on the weekend, which I also stock up for because we eat all day, and I'm really trying to stop ordering out. That was the last of the pantry items that I needed to put away, and I'm just quickly fixing this cabinet before I show you the end results. that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I will make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.